Hello friends, sorry for the inconvenience in the last video. So we have faced the just okay. So what we are doing wrong was we are using adb shell push. Okay, the command is directly the adb push. Okay, so this is what, just a minute, let's say, let first I'll show you if there is something in that file or not. Okay, adb shell ls cd temp, oh sorry, okay. So what we have in the temp file is an Frida server. Okay, nothing else. Let me just enlarge this for you. Okay, now we just push our set.tre file. Okay, now if we do ls, here we see our file is now stored in temp file in the emulators. Okay, now let's set up, or just I say the Genymotion with the bub suit. Okay, sorry. Now first of all we have to do is open the bub suit app. Then after going to the proxy and generating the certificate, what we should do. Okay, okay, so our bub suit has been started. Now we have to go to the proxy tab, then proxy settings, and import, export and certificate. Okay, so in this, okay, certificate export. Next, for the Android, we we have to ensure that the file is in CER format, not the DR. Okay, now name the file like certification .cer. Okay, and next. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, just clear this, and we have to go to the main directory. Now ls, here we see is the certification.cer format. Oh sorry, we have to store the certification in the CRT format, not CER. Sorry, I got confused. So here is what I have already set up with the CRT. Okay, now like I have previously shown, we have to just push the certificate in the storage, internal storage of the emulator. Okay, the path is for the storage cell and then primary and downloads. Okay, so now let's open the Genymotion. Okay, so let's go to the settings. Here just we have to search about CA certification. Okay, here it is. Now click on CA certifications, install anyway. Okay, so I am already in the downloads folder. If you are not, we can navigate to the downloads folder, and here we see is the CRT format. If we click the certificate will be installed directly. Okay, so next part is to set up the proxy. Okay, so first of all we have to use our Kali machine's IP. Now before that, let's set up in the pub suite. Okay, so in pub suite, okay, we are already in the proxy settings, so open that too. Now add new one. Okay, so here we are going to use a specific port, and let's bind the port first, 8080 or 8090, whichever is you like. Now specific address. Okay, so 1.16 is my Kali machine's bridge address. Okay, and this one is the host only. Okay, we have to use on bridge. Click on OK. Oh sorry, I forgot to add something. And now go to edit or request handling. We should use the invisible proxying. Okay, this will help us to some requests that are not visible directly, or to capture more precise data with the emulator. Okay, click on OK. Then our IP is 19. Okay, so here we can use multiple things, like just a minute. There are two ways to connect with the proxy. Okay, we can manually set up, or we have to do the hard way. If we do the proxy settings in the settings of the emulator, which is very complicated, not very complicated but hassling. Okay, so we have an app called ProxyToodle. Okay, what ProxyToodle is an app that helps us to connect with the proxy. Okay, so our port was 8090. Let's disconnect first. Okay, just a minute. Okay, port was 8090 and the IP was 1.16. Okay, this is our IP. Now to install any app, we can either do the adb push at the app. Okay, or we can just drag and drop the app. Okay, now let's connect with the. Okay, so this is connected, and let's browse. Let's see, the HTTPS tree is up, empty. Now let's browse something. Okay, here we see is the HTTP response of our emulator here. Okay, if we do more, let's go to the site. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.